Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your radio and computer for the Edgetx firmware update. Charge the transmitter battery above 50% before you begin. Remove or copy the SD card onto your computer and confirm at least 512 MB free space. Install Edgetx Companion on your computer and launch the application. Download the desired firmware. Bin file, for example 2.7.1, into a known folder. Backup the entire SD card content and export the radio EEPROM to a separate backup folder. Next, flash the firmware using Edgetx Companion on your computer. Power off the radio and enter bootloader or DFU mode following your model instructions. Connect the radio via USB-C cable to the computer while in DFU mode. In Edgetx Companion, select the correct radio model from the list. Choose the downloaded firmware. Bin file, such as 2.7.1, and click Flash to begin. Monitor the progress bar and wait until Companion reports a successful, right before disconnecting the USB cable. After flashing, restore essential SD content and verify functionality before flying. Copy your backed up SD folders back onto the radio SD card and confirm lib and models folders are present. Power on the radio and confirm the system version reads the newly flashed release, for example 2.7.1. Rebind receivers as required and perform stick and switch calibrations for each model. Verify timers, mixes, and logical switches for expected behavior. Complete a short range and RSSI test to confirm safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.